Hey everyone! Becoming QuickBooks certified is the fastest way to validate your expertise in the world's leading accounting software. Whether you are an aspiring bookkeeper or a seasoned accountant, this certification, specifically the ProAdvisor path, is entirely free and significantly boosts your marketability. Step 1. Navigate and sign in. We are starting with the identity handshake. By searching for Intuit QuickBooks certification and following the Get Started prompt, you are logging in to the QuickBooks Online Accountant QBOA portal, the professional engine behind the certification. Hover over Training and Certification in the top bar of the Intuit site and click Certification. Click Get Started and sign in with your Intuit ID. Once you sign in, you aren't just in a browser tab, you are inside your accounting firm's dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You will arrive at My Hub in the ProAdvisor Academy. The 2026 dashboard shows your current progress, recommended courses, and any badges you've already earned. The Academy is divided into Foundation, Level 1 and 2, and specialty certifications like Payroll or Desktop. If you're new, choose a course and select Start Learning. This gives you self-paced modules with interactive simulations and knowledge checks to prep you for the exam. If you're an expert, look for the Test Out button. This allows you to skip the videos and jump straight to the certification exam. There's a 60 to 90-minute final assessment that can officially grant you your title. Once you feel ready, just take exam next to your chosen certification. You need an 80% score to pass within 3 attempts. Within 60 minutes of passing, your official badge will appear in the My History tab. From there, you can download your certificate or link it directly to your LinkedIn profile via Credly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.